my lord. This is a Shishu Shikha Kendra matter from 60 to 65. This is the
Oh, this is my model order, na?
not by your lordship, by a coordinate bench, because
No, I want my
my
model
lord,
order.
after subject to correction, your lordship's order, after your lordship's order, there was has been introduced that provident fund has been already introduced. That they will get the provident fund from 1st of April 2024. Now challenging that also, the coordinate benches in both the coordinate benches have held that no, since it was introduced in 2019 and you are implementing it 2024, the persons will suffer loss. So if they want to revert, they can revert. That order has been accepted.
Some of the guest teachers, they are the guest teachers, or
No, MSK, they are the
MSK.
S.S.K, sorry.
The offer was given that if you come down from 65 to 60, you will be getting the status of a para teacher. Government could not provide that. Then the question comes, first Justice Samanto held, since he could not provide them that security, allow them to come to their original 65 years of service.
Yes. Thereafter, my lord, something happened. What happened? The government introduced EPF scheme for like the para teachers for the Shoyoks and Shoyikas, and that was made effective from 1st of April 2024. So when the matter was moved, they took a stand. See, we have implemented this. They are getting the benefits of para teachers. So from it can now they cannot go from 60 to 65. That point was taken into consideration by the latest orders, and it has been their contention has been rejected, saying that after 5 years you are saying that you are giving the effect. No,
Initially, initially as a para teacher 60, as not 65. You opted for 60, but 60. They could not provide you the facilities. Now they have now they want to revert back to 65.
Now they have provided.
Now they have become.
Now they have provided the
so
facility
you are
of
getting
EPF.
two.
No,
65 as a para teacher.
No. I'm telling you, Lord. Initially, your lordship is absolutely right. Initially, they failed to provide us benefit. A coordinate bench directed you failed to provide benefit, so they may be allowed to revert back to 65. That was the order. Now, my lord, in August 2024, the department passed a order stating that those who those Shoyoks and Shoyikas will now be getting employees provident fund.
Reverting back.
No, for those who are still in 60, not after reverting back.
Those who are still in 60.
Said that those Shoyoks and Shoyikas who exercised their option previously to get the benefits of para teacher will now get the benefits of para teachers. And they issued that order with effect from first.
So those who did not come back, want to revert back, they got the benefit of para teacher.
Circular was issued.
Now you want that I am allowed to revert back as para teacher?
No. I want that I do not want that benefit. I may be allowed to go back to 65. And that was considered by the coordinate benches as given. I say that the benefit that is now being given to us, Shoyikas, will incur us huge loss. And that was substantiated by the coordinate benches.
Therefore, I do not want. I want revert back.
I want revert back. I do not want
revert back, and that order is being passed by your lordship.
That is what revert back.
Yes, this is the order.
What clarification you are
that, subject to correction, your lordship, I have seen, I might be wrong, my lord, your lordship has not considered the subsequent.
No, what is subsequent to the order allowing those who have already exercised the option to be a para teacher?
No. That is not the order, sir. I am failing, my lord. Suppose, my lord, I am still I am now a para teacher. I am now a para teacher.
Because you have exercised
your option from 65 to 60.
By virtue of a notification, you have become now
a para teacher.
So whether a para teacher who has already...
1 minute, I think there is some confusion. Now, initially, in 2020, we say we are going to introduce a policy of EPF. You exercise option. Instead of 65, if you are ready to retire at the 60, you will get this benefit.
EPF,
they exercise their option. Now, we failed to bring that scheme. Series of writ petitions here. Then Justice Mantha, in Arup Mukherjee case, was pleased to directed us, you bring that notification as early as possible. 29th of August, that has been brought. There we asked the persons who already exercised options.
No, prior to that, Justice Samanto's order.
Yes, we allowed revert back. Now, once we bring that 29th August 2024, you are entitled to PF from this day, from 1st of April 2024, that has been introduced. We asked those persons who still want to continue with this 60, you must fill up a form. And the persons who already filled up that form, that yes, so you want to continue with this 60, if these people belongs to them, then we have serious objection.
No, we have not filled up the form.
If they didn't fill up, they come under your lordship's order.
What is that? The clarification is needed. You have not come to this option, though notification has issued. but you have not exercised that option yet.
60 to 65 option. My lord, only one thing, I have not exercised that option. I can bring your lordship's order, but that circular has been considered by this.
What is the effect on it?
It was argued, may I tell you why? It was argued that since we have introduced the benefit.
No, that point they are not taking. Those who have, they have
Then I will bring
introduced,
your lordship's order.
they have introduced the that much by the time they have, though they have introduced.
I will bring it. Then I will bring.
No, Mr. Dasgupta, one clarification you may expect for the clarity, so that in future it cannot be questioned that it was not brought to the notice of the court that the notification has been published inviting applications to exercise the option.
Yes.
Notification is in existence.
Yes.
In existence, but I do not want to exercise the option.
Yes.
That is your case. So where is that notification?
29th August. Annex call.
Why I'm insisting, it will be easier for me to follow of my order. Then I have to apply my mind over here.
It is at page 136.
একটা মডেল অর্ডার আছে
এর পরেও জাজ সাহেবের অর্ডার আছে।
হ্যাঁ, না এরপরে এই জজ সাহেবের অর্ডার পাচ্ছি না। এরপরে এই জজ সাহেবের অর্ডার পাচ্ছি না।
আছে।
এই হচ্ছে
MSK এর অর্ডারটা রিসিভ হয়েছে।
36
সভাপতি ডাকুন।
এই অনুপ মুখার্জি।
এই জজ সাহেবের অর্ডার এটা নিয়ে
আছে এই বেঞ্চে আছে।
আরে এই বেঞ্চে আছে আমি জানি।
এই বেঞ্চে যখন বসছেন তখনই হয়েছে।
আরে সেটা না,
9th আগস্টের পরে
আমি বলছি না, আগের অর্ডার তাহলে আমি নিয়ে আসি।
Please come to 137 page.
Yes, my lord.
সেটা বিফোর
এটা 2023 এটা। This is the order of 2023.
Uh-huh.
A similar order may be passed.
Please come to 138. One clarification is necessary.
138.
The school education department failed to provide the benefit to the petitioner accrued to them on exercise of such option.
This is to be modified to the extent that the school education had come with 29th August 2024. That seems to the petitioners that they are not benefited by this.
Neither the benefit was taken by them, nor they want to
Avail this benefit because this is
That
not beneficial to
that
them.
much
That
will
much is enough.
That will suffice.
এইদিকে আসুন। কি করে অত বড় ভুলটা হলো স্টেট ব্যাংক আপনি আসবেন, আমি বুঝিয়ে বলবো যে কি করে এটা সম্ভব। আপলোড নয়।
ও এর 29th আগস্টের পর ফর্ম ফিল আপ করেনি তো, বি শিওর, কারণ সেটা কিন্তু আবার আমাদের প্রবলেম ক্রিয়েট করবে। বাট
Not exercising.
no problem হবে was or if they exercise their option after 29th August of 2024 because they were asked to exercise another option, that will create problem.
Already they have exercised option under this subsequent
No.
notification.
But that too has been considered by the bench. Even if I
I
exercise
do not, for your case, when
For
the
your-
appropriate case will come, those who have already exercised 29th August, whether they will be allowed to revert back,
Yes,
that I will consider separately.
so let them,
It is not your case here.
so let that be recorded that didn't apply, they didn't exercise option after 29th of August.
Mr. Dasgupta, here how many petitioners are there?
22.
Court fees paid?
I have not paid. I will ask my lord because they
Have to pay the deficit, make the good. অনেক লিখেছে। Petitioner is required to make good of the deficit court fees. Let such required to make good of the- let such payment be made in course of this day after tomorrow. And in the meantime, think about this way. These all the how many petitioners?
22. Whether they have applied or not.
Yes.
After 29th of August, I'll take this.
Yes.
29th August notification, whether they have applied under 29th August 2024. If they applied, their status a little bit different. You may then consider place reliance on the
Coordinate
judgment of the coordinate bench. But so far, those who have not at all exercised, in spite of the notification being published, so therefore they cannot have any difference.
Because every time we are preparing a list and that is to be changed. List of para teacher, list of সম্প্রসারক. Every day there is change.
Now in their record, those who have already applied, they have already earmarked them as para teachers.
Yes.
So it will be difficult for them
Every day we are changing.
possibly. Ajay, sorry, day after tomorrow.